Learn English with the incredible story of Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi was born on June 24th, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. He grew up in a small house with his parents and three siblings. From a young age, Lionel loved playing football. He played in the streets, in the park, and anywhere he could find space and a ball. When he was just 5 years old, he joined a local football club called Grandoli. His father was his coach. People quickly noticed that Lionel was not like other kids. He was small, quiet, and very focused. But when he had the ball, he was magical. He could dribble past players with ease and score goals like a professional. At the age of 8, Messi joined the youth team of Newell's Old Boys, a bigger club in Rosario. He became a star of the youth team, scoring hundreds of goals. But there was a problem. Messi was very small for his age. He had a medical condition called a growth hormone deficiency. His body didn't grow like other children's. His family didn't have enough money to pay for the expensive treatment. They tried to get support in Argentina, but nothing worked. Then, when Lionel was 13, a big opportunity came. FC Barcelona, a famous football club in Spain, offered to bring Messi to Spain and pay for his treatment if he trained with their youth academy, La Masia. So Messi and his father moved to Barcelona. At first, it was hard. He missed his mother and his home. He didn't speak Spanish well, but he worked hard. On the field, he continued to impress. He trained every day, stayed humble, and focused on his dream. Soon, he started playing with older boys. Then, at just 16 years old, he made his first appearance with Barcelona's first team. 1 year later, he scored his first goal in a professional match. The world began to notice the small boy with the big talent. Over the years, Messi became one of the best players in the world. He wore the number 10 jersey, just like his idol, Diego Maradona. He helped Barcelona win many championships, including La Liga, the Champions League, and more. He scored beautiful goals, made incredible passes, and played with heart and passion. People admired not just his talent, but also his attitude. Messi was always quiet, respectful, and a team player. He let his feet do the talking. Fans around the world loved him because he never gave up and always played with joy. But even though he was successful in Barcelona, there was something missing. For many years, Messi played for the Argentina national team, but they never won a major title. He came close many times, in World Cups and Copa America finals, but always lost. In 2016, after another painful defeat in the Copa America, Messi announced he was retiring from international football. The world was shocked. Fans begged him to return. His teammates supported him. After some time, he changed his mind and came back. In 2021, Messi finally achieved his dream. He led Argentina to victory in the Copa America, winning his first major trophy with the national team. His smile that night showed how much it meant to him. That same year, after more than 20 years with Barcelona, Messi had to leave the club due to financial problems. He moved to Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, in France. It was an emotional goodbye. He cried during his farewell speech in Barcelona. Even in a new country and team, Messi continued to show his brilliance. He played with other top stars, but always stayed true to himself. Calm, humble, and focused on the game. Then came 2022. The FIFA World Cup in Qatar. It was possibly Messi's last chance to win the biggest trophy in football. And this time, the story had a perfect ending. Argentina became world champions, and Messi lifted the trophy. He scored goals, led his team with courage, and was named the best player of the tournament. After years of challenges, heartbreak, and hard work, Messi had reached the top. His story became an inspiration to millions of people around the world. He is not just a football player. He is a symbol of dedication, humility, and greatness. Now, take a deep breath, go back to the beginning of this video, and try to shadow it. Repeat the sentences after me. Speak with rhythm. Copy the pronunciation. And grow your English skills one sentence at a time. Thank you for learning with Easy Pace English. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love football and are learning English too. And remember, learning English is not a race. It's a journey. We'll see you in the next story. Goodbye for now.